Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons using an easy method. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to achieving those signature feet on your shells. This simplified approach helps ensure success, even if you're new to baking these delightful treats. Get ready to create impressive, delicious macarons with confidence and ease, perfect for any occasion. For our easy macaron recipe, precise measurements are key. You'll need 100 grams of finely sifted almond flour and 100 grams of powdered sugar. Also, separate 2 large egg whites. Letting them sit out for about 24 hours can improve stability. Finally, have 100 grams of granulated sugar ready for your meringue. These simple steps set the foundation for perfect shells. Now for the fun part, mixing and piping. Gently fold your dry ingredients into the meringue until the batter flows like slow-moving lava, known as macaronage. This consistency is crucial. Then, pipe uniform circles onto parchment-lined baking sheets. Tap the sheets firmly to remove any air bubbles, and let the shells rest for about 30 minutes until a slight skin forms. Baking is the final step for those perfect shells. Bake your macarons at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes, rotating the tray halfway through. Once baked, let them cool completely on the baking sheet before carefully peeling them off. Finally, fill your cooled shells with a delicious buttercream or ganache. Store your beautiful, finished macarons in an airtight container to maintain their freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.